everyone, we're at Cramlington Station! And it's been a long time since we've been train spotting, Daddy, isn't it?
It has. It's been like a long time because of my work, or just because there hasn't been anything interesting coming. It hasn't been as good since the timetable change, has it?
No.
But nights are getting lighter.
Yeah.
And we hope we get a bit more train spotting done. We should have a good night tonight, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
What we're hoping to see.
RTC.
Yeah, the Class 43s flying through.
Yeah. On this platform.
What we've seen already, it's been exciting already.
Unity and the new Cross Country.
Yeah, first time I've seen one of the new Cross Countries.
At Cramlington.
At Cramlington. Well, I was saying new, a new lick of paint.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, anything else you want to talk about? What do you want us to talk about?
You went at Middlesbrough on Mummy's birthday.
That's right, yeah, we did, didn't we? Not train spotting.
No, but I didn't go, obviously. I was sleeping.
No, because Mummy and Daddy went to see a comedian who tells naughty jokes and you're not allowed to listen to them, are you?
No.
But yeah, we saw a Tampa train down there.
Yeah, and a 66.
And a 66, we didn't catch it on camera.
No.
No.
Silly, Daddy.
So happy birthday to Mummy.
Yeah.
Also, should we say, to our auntie who's not very well, get well soon, we love you.
Yeah.
And another auntie's coming from America in a few weeks. That's exciting. Yeah. It's been really exciting, isn't it? But speaking of excitement, should we get back to train spotting?
Yeah, so cut. There's the Trans Pennine Express. Uni, Daddy! Daddy, it was uni!
Excellent, that's a great start.
Yeah.
A horn blast and unity.
Pennine Express. Whoa. There's the LNER Zuma. We got a beep, Daddy.
We did.
There's the Cross Country. That was the new Cross Country, and it was a double R as well.
That's unusual, isn't it? Something new, something old.
Yeah. There's the Northern.
What did the driver just shout out the window, son?
I couldn't hear him very well.
Sure, it's Tommy's trains.
Oh yeah, he did. There's the LNER Zuma. She's electric, and we got a beep.
Electric. It was a late one, but a good one.
Yeah. There's the LNER Zuma. Our planet!
Our planet! Daddy's favourite! We love our planet, don't we?
Yeah, and we got a wave.
A last minute wave again.
Yeah. There's the LNER Zuma. Daddy, we got a beep, and I think it was a wave.
He stood up and waved?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the Cross Country. There's the LNER zoomer. There's the 43 classes. Daddy, I could tell one of them was John Armitt.
John Armitt, the back one, yeah. Didn't see the front one.
No. There's the Northern. I see that one coming in.
The other one's coming as well. I'm not sure we'll get it.
Hopefully.
No, we can't see.
Unless he pulls us quietly there. Bye bye, Northern. Have a nice time at YouCut.
I don't think we were at the right angle for the drive out to sea, were they?
No.
That was exciting, though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think the cross country is going to come through next. It'll be going slow.
Yeah.
That'll be exciting.
Yeah. There's the cross country.
Why is it going slow, Tommy?
Because there's a Northern right ahead of it.
Yeah. It might speed up once it gets around the corner and sees the proceed signal.
Caution. It's proceed now.
What a smell as it pulls away. That was great, wasn't it?
Yeah.